Hello, this is Rachel from Start Driving School, and welcome to episode 4, Reverse Park into the Car Park Bay. Examiner's instructions for reverse park into parking bay.
I'd like you to carry out a reverse park exercise into a convenient bay.
In the Speak Test Center, the examiner will add extra instructions.
Follow the road to the right, then keep reasonable close to the bays on the left. I would like you to choose any of the bays marked DVSA.
Pull up alongside the bays about 1 meter distance. Stop when your reference in your passenger window lines up with the third line from the bay you want to reverse into. As soon as you stop, select reverse gear so traffic from behind understands your intention. The green line in the camera lines up with the first line of the bay you are reversing into. Now steer fully to the left, which is as far your steering wheel can go. Before moving away, ensure you complete your all-round observation, including your blind spot on the right. Once the white lines of the bay can be seen parallel with the door handles in your wing mirrors, you need to stop. Now straighten your wheels. Reverse into the bay whilst keep looking all round. Stop when your wing mirrors line up with front of the bay. What they are looking for: observation and safety, control of the car, accuracy, judgment, final position. Thanks for watching.